One to the entire step-by-step plan to melting that fat off the body. No matter what, intermittent fasting, working out, drink this, buy that, eat this, work out, do the sauna, buy your friend's sister's dog's goldfish network marketing products. One reason, when I opened up my own gym at 21, why I found why people are not losing weight, are not melting the fat off the body. And that is 100% the calories. And not just overeating. Majority of people that I've ever helped had to increase calories. Everybody's under eating, and your calorie goal is the most important thing when it comes to this weight loss thing, because you have a calorie goal. Instead of just doing 1,200 calories like everybody else suggests, when you go use this free calorie calculator, you're gonna be mind blown. But make sure you watch the video on how to use the calorie calculator so you pick the right calories for you. So, under eating. When you undereat, you don't give your body the nutrients that it needs. That's why you women rip your hair out and leave it on the shower wall. It's from the lack of the protein, lack of the nutrients. Hormone function is all over the place because we are lacking so much nutrients for the body to thrive. Yes, to lose body fat, you need to be in a calorie deficit. But the word calorie deficit, what number pops into your head? I'll answer it for you, 1,200. And that's the thing, you're under eating. Majority of my clients, I've got doing over 1,800. I've got women at 3,000 calories a day, losing 100 pounds in less than a year. You've got to feed your body the nutrients that it needs, taking in the right amount of calories. Then step 2, you'll figure out what's next. But you have a calorie goal for weight loss. So that is step 1. Figure out your calorie goal. Go use the free calorie calculator for it when you just go to FullertonNutrition.com, or there'll be a link below to be able to use that calorie calculator. Don't be shocked with the amount of calories that you need. Rule number 1 on why people aren't getting the results they want: they're under eating.